Hey friends, it's Ryan Brown, your local mortgage lender, and today I have 3 strategies for you to get your offer accepted if you are financing and buying in this crazy market. The market is red hot, and so we have to have the best strategies to get your offer accepted. This is the biggest problem when you're using financing and you're buying a house. Obviously, if you're not paying cash, we have to get you in the best light possible. So 3 strategies I want to talk to you about today that we're seeing that's helping clients get their offers accepted. Number 1 is an escalation clause. So this is for the purchase price. So let's just say, for example, the house is listed at $400,000. You can do an escalation clause up to a certain amount. So let's just say you're willing to pay up to $420,000 for the property. You'll offer $400,000 with an escalation clause up to $420,000. Basically what that means is if the seller gets another offer, maybe at $405,000, you'll immediately go to $406,000. If they get a $410,000, you go to a $411,000. Similar to like an eBay auction. So a cool little strategy to help you get to that number without actually giving them too much. So escalation clause, talk to your agent about that. Number 2, short loan commitment. If you are pre-approved with an online lender, a bank, or a mortgage company that's asking for a 15, 20, 30-day loan commitment period, you're never gonna get the offer accepted. Ever, never, ever in this market. It's not gonna happen. You have to have a super duper short loan commitment period. So what we're doing here is we're doing a 7-day loan commitment. Basically what that means is within 7 days, everything is gonna be signed off on your loan. The appraisal will be back in and cleared. Now, in order to obtain this, we are gonna have to get a rush on the appraisal report, a little bit extra cost there, but it's worth it. So get a very short loan commitment period. So that means after that 7 days, your deposit's on the line if the loan does not close. Third option, no financing contingency clause on the contract. The agent will mark it as a cash contract. That does not mean you have to pay cash for the property. It just means that you are not having a financing contingency on that contract. So what does that mean? So you're gonna do a inspection period. So let's just use the same example or the same timeline, 7 days. Do a cash contract with a 7-day inspection period. Within that 7 days, what we will do is we'll get everything signed off on, including the appraisal. And then that way, once you proceed past that 8th day, your deposit's on the line. So we gotta make sure everything's signed off within the 7. Worst case is, if there's an issue on the loan or the appraisal doesn't come in, you would back out during that inspection period, because you can back out really for any reason. So those are really the 3 strategies I wanted to share with you today. There are so many other strategies, so if you have any questions, feel free to call, DM, text. We would love to connect with you, see how we can help you out. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.